In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Xero with GoHighLevel. I'm going to keep this very short and very easy, so watch along the video, and at the end of this video you will know how you can integrate Xero to GoHighLevel. So the first step that you need to do is go to the GoHighLevel app marketplace inside of your agency view within GoHighLevel and search for the app CRM Connector. CRM Connector is a middleware platform specifically made for GoHighLevel, so it makes it really easy to integrate external CRM systems like Xero to GoHighLevel. So this is the app that we're going to use. I'm going to install it right now. So as you can see, I've just installed CRM Connector. I've installed it in the agency view and also in my sub account that I would like to integrate with Xero. At the bottom left, CRM Connector will appear, and this is what CRM Connector looks like from within the agency view. So as you can see, I want to integrate this sub account with Xero. As you can see, it's not connected right now. And in your agency view, you can arrange some things like request your own integration and also see their integration library. So right now I'm going to go to the sub account so I can show you how you can integrate Xero with that sub account. Okay, so right now I'm inside of the sub account that I would like to integrate with Xero. As you can see, this sub account currently has zero context, and at the bottom left, CRM Connector will appear. So you or your client can do the integration process themselves. So the only thing your client needs to do is log into the sub account, click CRM Connector and choose Xero. And what you need to do then is fill out this form. So you can select a date filter and you can also select customers with invoices or select leads. And then they need to do a one-time login to Xero, and then the full integration process is done. So I'm going to do that right now. So I've just logged into Xero. This is basically a one-time login to integrate the Xero account to the sub account. All you need to do is click on Authenticate through Xero, and then you do a one-time login, and then the connection is made. And the last thing you need to do is click Establish Secure Connection. And basically that's when the integration process is done. So it's really easy, really simple, and everybody can do it. So so as you can see, Xero is successfully integrated. Every 4 hours, a new context will get added, and currently all of the contacts that I had in my Xero account are added to the sub account. So my whole client list that I had in Xero is added to this sub account, and every 4 hours, new contacts will get added to Xero if there are any new contacts in Xero. So CRM Connector will check every 4 hours for a new context. So that's really how easy it is to integrate Xero with CRM Connector. You can find CRM Connector on the GoHighLevel app marketplace. And that's it. That's how you integrate Xero.